Changing video background or using fake background in your videos is easy, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in a few minutes. So you want to change your video background to something beautiful like this, and you've watched a lot of YouTube videos on how to achieve this using Capcut. But when you get on Capcut to change your own background, you find out that you cannot do that because those things are not free. Well, the reason is because some of these features used to be free on Capcut, but recently those features that used to be free are now premium, which means if you're going to change your background using Capcut, you are going to pay. That's why you need to watch this video to the end, because I want to show you how to change your video background using InShot, absolutely free, and you can do that with your mobile phone. Not only that, I'm going to show you where to get beautiful image backgrounds that you are going to use for your videos absolutely free too. If you wait to the end of this video, I will show you how to change the background of your video to be video, just like this, and not just a picture. You don't want to miss this one. This is the simplest and easiest tutorial on how to change video background or how to add fake background to your videos using InShot. So if you want to change your video background, you need to watch this simple tutorial from beginning to the end. There are two ways to achieve this fake background, and I'm going to show you the two of them. Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Chamaka, and on this channel we talk all things money, how to make money both online and offline. So if making money is your thing, go on and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it so you get notified each time we publish new videos. Without further ado, let's jump straight in. So if you want to change your video background, the first step is to record the video. While recording this video, make sure that the background is as plain as possible to make it easier for you when you are cutting out this background. There won't be a lot of glitches. So after you're done recording the video, the next step is to go get the image you are going to use as the background. And best place to get these beautiful images for free is Pinterest. You can as well use AI to generate the background if you want that. I got these ones from Pinterest. Just go on and search whatever background you want, and you're going to see a lot of images you can use. Once you download the image to your phone, the next thing is to head over to Capcut and add this background image. Let's go on and do that. So first thing you need to do is to open InShot, and once it opens, you are going to select video. Then you select new. Let's go on and import the video we want to edit. So you tick this good here, and then the video will apply. Okay, so once the video applies, the next thing is to go on and edit the video, cut out the mistake and every other editing you want to do here. Let's go on and add the background. To remove the background, you need to slide here, look for cut out. So you need to touch cut out and then go on and select cut out again. Now it starts removing the background. Wait for it to load up to 100% to make sure that the result is smooth. To make sure that you get a smooth result. So the background has been removed. The next thing is to go on and add the image. So let's go on and get the image. You need to open Pinterest, come to the search bar and type what you're looking for. It could be beautiful sitting room. Just look for what you want, and then you're going to go get the picture. You can see different images here you can go for. So go on Pinterest, type what you want here and search the images to download the image you love for your video background. The next step is to go on and add the image we want for our background. Select background and then you click on this to select the image you want to use as the background of this video. So I'm going to go on and select just one of them. I'm going to just select this one. Okay, now you can go on to make the background a little blurry if you want. So these are options to blur the background a little. So you can see that. I'm going to just leave it at this and select good. Next thing is to zoom the image. So I'm going to touch the image with my hand and bring it a little closer and position it where I want it to be. And then you go on to play the video. So you want to change your video background to something beautiful like this, and you've watched a lot of YouTube videos on how to achieve this using Capcut. But when you get on Capcut to change your own background, you find out that you cannot do that because... So the video is ready. Next thing is to go on and export it. So you want to change your video background to some videos. To export the video, all you need is click on this export here. Select the resolution you want. I usually go for 1080p and then you click on export. Great, the video is saved right now. So you can now go to your gallery and watch the video.
Now that you have the video in your gallery, the next step is to go on YouTube and upload the video. With a beautiful background like this, it helps you a lot in getting all the views and engagement you need.
That's exactly how to add your video background. Easy and simple, right? The second version is to use Capcut, which is Pro. What a lot of people do is that they go on to use the premium version to do all of this. Edit the video, cut out the background. You can actually use the premium version to do it. The difference is that when you are done designing it, you have to pay before you download it. So what people do is that they go on to use those premium versions to edit the video, cut out the background, and achieve all the effects they want. When it's time to download the video, they will go on to screen record this video, and then they use the screen recorded version for their video. Most times it doesn't turn out very bright. So for me, InShot remains the best. Go on and use the free version of InShot and achieve these features. Edit your videos, download it, and then use it for whatever purpose you want to use it for.
Equally, if you want the background of your video to be a video instead of just a picture like we have it here, you can achieve that effect. So you can actually have the background of your video to be playing and not just have a plain image. I've made this video here showing you exactly how it is done. This is actually more classy than having just an image. For a full guide on how to change your background to be a video like it's showing here, check the description of this video for a link to watch the tutorial video I've already made on this.
I hope this helps. Give this video a thumbs up. See you in my next video.